Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this makeup tutorial. So we're gonna jump right in. My face is pretty much done. So for my eyes, I'm gonna start with the Latte contour shade from Mary Kay. And I'm gonna use this as our first transition shade. So I'm just gonna take this on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna add this back and forth to both of my creases. And then next, we're gonna go into the next contour shade, which is Cocoa. It's the deepest contour shade that Mary Kay has, and I'm gonna use this just right underneath where we put Latte. So as you can see, I'm more so focusing this on the crease of my eye instead of above my crease like we did with Latte. So I'm just gonna take this back and forth. So next I'm gonna pick up the Chromafusion eyeshadow in Merlot, and this is a very beautiful deep plum, very deep purple, and so I'm literally just going to add this directly on top of where we put Cocoa. So as you can see, I kind of defined my line and just placed the product there, made sure that when I closed and opened my eyes, it was exactly where I wanted it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this all out first with the brush. And then I'm gonna pick up my blending brush and go ahead and fade out those edges. So what's so funny about this, you guys, is I was not attempting to do a cut crease, and this is what I'm calling my faux cut crease because I am not a master at the cut crease yet. So actually putting the shadow there and then carving it out, I have not mastered one bit, but this was my easy foolproof way of kind of making it a cut crease. So we will get more into that in a little bit, but I was very excited for how this look turned out. So now picking up the cream eyeshadow in Apricot Glaze, I think that's what it's called. If not, I'll leave it below, but I think it's Apricot Glaze. I'm just gonna add this to my concealer brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add that all over the lid. Once I pack this on, I'm actually gonna help to kind of carve out where we had the Merlot shade, just so that way my lid is very defined. But yeah, we're just gonna add this all over. All right, so now going ahead and adding one of Mary Kay's older eyeshadows in Amber Blaze, I'm gonna put this directly on top of where we had the cream eyeshadow. So the cream eyeshadow was just the base to really make this shade pop, so that way it wasn't alone. So I'm gonna add this all over both of my lids and just make sure it's fully packed, and then I'm going to jump into eyeliner. So then using, of course, the Mary Kay eyeliner pen, just skipping past because you guys have seen me do a wing a million times. And then moving on, we're going to pick up this beautiful blue shade in Evening Navy. It's a very, very pretty matte, deep blue. And I'm just gonna add this to my lower lash line, and I'm just gonna line that. And moving right along, we are going to pick up on a more fluffy brush, this Peacock Blue. I think this is one of the older eyeshadows too. I'm just gonna blend out where we had that Evening Navy. So this is really where the pop of color comes in on this look, because the top is very basic, normal, golds, bronze, purples, but then the blue on the bottom really just makes this look stand out so much. Right? I love it. Looking good. So now I'm just going to dust away any fallout that I had since, you know, my foundation and everything is done, and make sure that everything is nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lash primer per normal, nothing new on this step. And then we're going to jump in, and this is actually the shade, hold on, let me get it for you. This shade is Desert Rose. So we're gonna apply Desert Rose to my cheeks, and then going to take glazed, I think is this highlighter, and we're gonna add that to the inner corner. So just to really bring some light to this look, I'm gonna add that to both of my inner corners. And then moving right along, we're gonna add that underneath my brow. I forgot all about a good brow highlight, you guys, until a few weeks ago. I always skip this step. So going ahead back to old habits. And then we are going to add, of course, Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara. A look would not be a look without this from me. And we're gonna finish everything off with Beach Bronze Lip Gloss. This is like my favorite, my staple. I can wear this if I'm trying to look glam, if I'm trying to look basic. I adore this lip gloss. So no liner, no nothing, just on top of my bare lips. There actually may be some foundation in there, but it's all good. So then after that, the look is done and complete. Of course, don't forget to set with finishing spray. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.